Okay, Khushbu, tell me about your experience on the School Enterprise Challenge.
It was a very exciting thing for me when I got to know about that such kind of event is going to happen in my school in the name of School Enterprise Challenge. I was very thrilled and excited.
What has been your role in the
From
event?
the childhood, I was I have a keen interest in activities and enthusiastically take part in entertainment zone. So I decided to take up as a entertainer or for setting up fun zone for kids.
Okay, good. What business skills have you learned?
I have learned convincing skills. Convincing and attracting customers to your stalls was a very difficult task. It was not an easy task to speak up in front of so many people and attract them to come and enjoy and have fun. It was a very different and very
What has been your favorite thing about competing in this event?
teamwork and spending time in deciding what to do, how to do, and it was quite.
You must have faced some challenges also.
Yes, tackling with small children, it was a very difficult task
And
to
how did
handle
you
them.
overcome that?
Trying to just open up with them and be so frank with them so that they can be comfortably spend time with us.
Did you plan some attractive offers for them in your fun
Yes,
zone?
when we were deciding to play Tambola, we offered for 2 or 3 games about the first row also with the lucky 7 and early 5.
Okay, and how did you manage gifts for your events?
Ma'am, actually, we utilized waste material in preparing gifts for them. Uh, we spend a lot of time in preparing gifts from the materials already available in our school.
That means it was a total profit business?
Yes, of course.
Okay. What is your biggest personal achievement in the competition?
Udan helped me to realize my potential and it enhanced my skills. I got so great opportunity and a platform to showcase my skills and talent. It was a very renewing experience for me.
Do you have any plans to set up your own business?
Yes, I have decided to become an event manager in the near future, and I hope that I will be able to convince